Good morning, students. I hope I'm audible. Am I audible? Thank you. Thank you. Right. So, what is the progress with the assignment? Done? Any difficulty? Any question? Parthvi, did you had any query? I don't know. Somebody messaged me about one of the question. Okay. Any query? Anyone? Any difficulties? Right. Then we will resume with our syllabus. Okay. We will continue with our syllabus, and I'm expecting submission of assignment tomorrow. Okay. Just a second, I'm not able to share the screen. Give me one more minute. Okay, so last class we had discussed about total and marginal utility, right? And cardinal and ordinal. Again, we had touched upon the basic aspect. Is there any doubt in terms of understanding it? Right, I was not able to share the screen, so today we will just go through the notes and then we will resume with the discussion. Okay, so here we go. Right, so two types of utility, that is total and marginal. Total means sum total of how much goods you have consumed upon number of goods. What is the formula? Right, total utility. What is the formula? Total consumption. Right, this is sum total consumption. Okay, and marginal is per unit increase, right? Here is the formula, per unit increase. Then we had discussed what is cardinal and what is ordinal, and we had discussed various assumptions of the theory. Consumer always thinks before he is spending, right? So consumer will always identify a product which he is clearly aware about in terms of its satisfaction, its feature, its cost, right? And he is going to make the wise choice about purchasing a particular product, right? So consumer is assumed to be rational. Consumer is planning before he is spending his income. Consumer will buy a product which has maximum utility, right? Say for example, if I say a container, say for example, if I say uh, Amul ghee, which is available in the packing, which is available in the packing. If it is available in the container, people will buy the container because even once the ghee is over, the container will be there. You will be able to use that container again. It's like not drinking the cold drink in glass bottle, buying a plastic bottle, whereby you can use the particular bottle again. So there you are using the product which is in it, and you are also thinking of using the container. Okay, so maximum utility. So maximum utility concept comes there. Okay, cardinal and ordinal approach, two approaches. Cardinal means subjective. Cardinal means subjective, wherein you buy the product. If you buy a product, you will be sacrificing the product. If I write the examples which we have discussed, if I buy a Tata car, I will be foregoing, I will be sacrificing buying a Maruti car, right? If I buy a Honda bike, I will be foregoing, I will be sacrificing purchase of bike from other companies, say for example, Bullet, right? So once I'm consuming one product, I will not need another product. According to my special preferences, I will decide what I want to buy. So it is very subjective. What I feel important, what I feel is good, you may have a different opinion for that, right? Say for example, I may say Domino's is very good, you may say Pizza Hut is very good. We may have different opinion, both is selling the same product. So if I'm going to Pizza Hut, it means I'm not going to Domino's. If you're going to Domino's, means you're not going to Pizza Hut. So one point of time you will be buying one product and you will be sacrificing another one. You will buy a product which is very important, very good, very much in terms of your satisfaction, and you will let go the product which has lesser satisfaction, lesser utility, or other things. Okay, ordinal was about ranking, right? We had discussed the example of again, uh, you know, um, all these restaurants like William John's who are giving a combo offer, right? So that we satisfy the needs of different category of people, A, B, C, D. If you remember, you, your grandparents, your mother, and your father, that was how we had quoted this example. So this is more qualitative in nature. This is where satisfaction is considered. This is where preferences is considered. So what do you prefer? You give ranking. So any product which is having first rank as a preference will have higher utility. Any having lesser rank will have lesser utility of the goods. जिस चीज को मैंने रैंक थर्ड दिया है, आई हैव गिवन द थर्ड रैंक, it means that particular product will be least preferred, it will be least consumed, it will be least bought, right? So anywhere when there is number 3 means it is least, demand will be lesser. But in the same There is another product, another category of people who is demanding it, right? So first rank is given by D, first rank is given by C, right? So we have to identify the need and the demand which generates out of the need. So four basic assumptions we have discussed. Okay, now we will be discussing about what is marginal utility, and marginal utility is always diminishing. कैसी है? घटेगी. पहली चॉकलेट मिली, right? Say for example, the first day to job, the first job, you will be thrilled, you will be super excited. Second job, third job, fourth job, there will be a stage where you will be indifferent, no excitement left, right? So marginal utility is always reducing, right? We always say the first time, right, has a great the first day to the school, the first day to the college, the first job, the first date, all this first experience is always and always very, very welcoming. So there is always higher utility, equal utility, right? Total जितना है उतनी ही आपकी utility है. It will always remain same. Gradually it will become very occasional. ये रोज की बात लगने लगेगी. And utility will start decreasing. It will decrease to a level कि वो minus में चली जाएगी. Marginal utility tends to be plus and minus both. ठीक है? टोटल यूटिलिटी में माइनस फिगर नहीं आएगा क्योंकि टोटल करते जा रहे हो आप. ओके, सो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज ऑलवेज हैविंग डिमिनिशिंग, घटती जाएगी. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट? यहाँ पे कोल्ड ड्रिंक का एग्जाम्पल दिया है. यू आर वेरी थर्स्टी, इफ यू सी द स्क्रीन द स्टमक इज एम्प्टी. दिख रहा है आपको? राइट, इफ यू सी द स्क्रीन द स्टमक वाज एम्प्टी, कुछ नहीं है. Right, you are very thirsty. Immediately when you get a cold drink, right, you will be having highest degree of satisfaction. कैसा होगा? Highest. Level 1 पे it is always highest. Level 1 पे it is always highest. Right, then somebody will give you the second, right, second cold drink. Happy, content, satisfied. पहली जितनी प्यास नहीं थी, so it will be lesser to what you had in the first instance. Okay, it will be lesser than what you had in the first instance. Further, third cold drink आपने पी लिया, ठीक है? Third, right, the entire stomach is full, right? Total contentment आ गया, no hunger, no thirst, totality stage में चले गए. Now, if it is given more, you may consume still one more, but gradually it is not giving you any benefit, any preferences. Now it is additional. You may or you may not take it. It may not be in the preference, right? So the first time when you use the product, utility is always higher. Right, this is the point where both will be equal. Unit 1, right, total utility and marginal utility will be same. Say for example, right, you are going on some adventurous ride, किसी amusement park में जा रहे हो, you are going on an adventurous ride. पहली बार उस नए डिवाइस में आप बैठोगे, you will feel thrilled, excited. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहली बार वाटर पार्क में जाना, वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी एक्साइटेड. सेकेंड टाइम जाना, थर्ड टाइम जाना, फोर्थ टाइम ओके, फिफ्थ टाइम ओके, सिक्स्थ टाइम यू विल बी फीलिंग कि मुझे अब नहीं जाना, नेगेटिव. फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 months आई विल नॉट गो टू एनी वाटर पार्क. सो ग्रेजुअली इट इज बिकमिंग व्हाट? नेगेटिव. Is this clear? Right? So marginal utility is always having diminishing effect. It is always having diminishing effect, right? There will be one point जहाँ पे maximum आप, right? If you see what is the maximum stage here, let me zoom it. अगर इस टेबल को आप देखो तो maximum, right, maximum अगर हम बात करें तो at what point total utility is highest? It is at sixth ride. Total utility is highest. So how much product will you purchase? How much unit will you purchase? How much time, right, you will be satisfied to go in the same ride? एक ही राइड पे बार बार आप क्यों जाओगे? कितनी बार जाओगे? तो मैक्सिमम कब है? 36. Total utility is 36. What is marginal return? This is the least positive point. उसके बाद it will start becoming negative. तो हमेशा आइडेंटिफाई करना हो कि मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कब घटेगी, व्हेन इट विल रिड्यूस. When it will reduce, you have to identify this point. When is it is full, it is maximum at the sixth unit. What is the marginal utility? It is 1. आफ्टर दैट, राइट, यहाँ पे जो मैक्सिमम होता है उसके बाद अगर आप एक भी प्रोडक्ट, एक भी यूनिट ज्यादा लोगे, राइट, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू बॉट वन मोर यूनिट 7, नाउ इट विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग लेसर. अभी ये रिड्यूस होना शुरू होगा और दिस विल बिकम नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे क्या होना शुरू हो जाएगा? मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग नेगेटिव, राइट. जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में एग्जांपल दिया था, अ स्लाइस ऑफ लेमन, उसको बहुत ज्यादा स्क्वीज करोगे, राइट, अपना अच्छे से स्क्वीज किया, आपने 2 ग्लास नींबू शरबत के बना लिए. अभी और ज्यादा करोगे तो 3 ग्लास बन जाएंगे पर कोई भी नहीं पिएगा. इट विल बी वेस्टेज, राइट. सो दिस इज वेयर वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट and based on this we will make various decisions. तो अगेन मार्जिनल, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है एग्जाम में. आपने पढ़ा है ये क्वेश्चन यूजी लेवल, आई मीन अपने स्कूल लेवल पे? हैव यू स्टडीड लॉ ऑफ मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी? एनीवन? राइट, नहीं पढ़ा है तो नो डालो, पढ़ा है तो यस डालो. वैभव, सीबीएसई बोर्ड में थे आप वैभव? हाँ, अपार्ट फ्रॉम वैभव एनीवन? वैभव, कैन यू गिव वन मोर एग्जांपल टू मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी? मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी का कोई एग्जांपल आप दे सकते हो? पुट इन द चैट बॉक्स. किस चीज की मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, राइट, किस रेफरेंस में आप मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी को एग्जाम्पलीफाई कर सकते हो? इट इज से यस और नो. आर यू गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल? नहीं, ओके. इज दिस एग्जाम्पल क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर दी अजम्पशंस. ठीक है, अजम्पशंस क्या है? कमोडिटीज आर होमोजीनियस. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी किस पॉइंट पे आएगा? आई मीन assumption क्या है? assumption is commodities are homogeneous, मतलब similar goods. what is homogeneous? homogeneous का मतलब है similar goods. ठीक है, identical, similar, identical है. okay, there is no gap between consumption of different unit. राइट, आपने पहले एक लिया, उसके बाद एक लिया, उसके बाद एक लिया, राइट. द डिफरेंस हियर इज ऑलवेज 1 डिग्री चेंज. ठीक है, राइट. इट्स नॉट कि आपने एक साथ 3 लिया, आपने एक साथ 2 लिया. इट्स ऑलवेज 1 यूनिट चेंज. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी में हमेशा वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट, 1 unit change. Either it will be 1 unit change uniform, or it will be 2 unit change uniform, or it will be 10 unit change uniform. ठीक है. So units का जो difference है, जो gap है, वो हम similar लेंगे. There is no gap between consumption of different units. Is this clear? Next, consumer wants maximize utility. क्या चाहिए कंज्यूमर को? मैक्सिमाइज यूटिलिटी. से फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं बच्चों का सबसे फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट की बात करूं, किंडर जॉय. किंडर जॉय यहाँ पे वो जब आया, इतना ट्रेंड में इंडिया में आया, right? When I was a small kid studying in the school, right at Dubai, it was available. So I didn't had that hype, and the way I see, mothers buying it for the kids, it even started becoming a status symbol. Kinder Joy की chocolate मैंने दी school में, kind of that. So how did they thought of coming up with this Kinder Joy packing? What was the purpose behind that entire product design? Chocolate देखो तो कितनी कम है, isn't it? Kinder Joy में chocolate का portion तो कितना कम है, right? The name which they have labeled Kinder Joy माने बच्चों. Kinder means right, kids which are below 5 years, राइट. उनकी जॉय, किंडर जॉय, राइट. उनको मजा किस चीज में आता है? तो उनको दो चीजों में मजा आता है, एक चॉकलेट में, दूसरा खिलौने में. Isn't it? They like two things. One is chocolate and another one is toy. So this is a blended combo. है कि नहीं? This is the combo approach. Seeing them, Cadbury's also came up with their own. Isn't it? Kinder Joy was already there in the international market since years. I'm saying, right? Right, when I was a small kid, it's almost 37 years then. When I was a small kid, my father used to buy me that. And what was the joy? It was not about opening the chocolate, it was saying and opening the box जिसमें वो toy, इतना सा छोटा सा toy होता है, उसको देखने के लिए, right, we used to buy that particular chocolate. So what is the utility in that context? You satisfy both the needs, isn't it? Yes or no? You satisfy both the needs. राइट. सो जिस चीज में ज्यादा नीड सेटिस्फाइड होती है, वेराइटी ऑफ नीड सेटिस्फाई होती है, पीपल विल बी रेडी टू कंज्यूम दैट प्रोडक्ट मोर. राइट. जिस प्रोडक्ट में, द प्रोडक्ट इन विच यू आर एबल टू सेटिस्फाई more need, maximum need for longer period of time, you are more willing to buy that particular category of good. Okay. Next, taste and preference of the customers remain the same during the period of consumption. Say, for example, if I'm somebody who likes Coca-Cola and the cold drink, my taste and preference will remain same, right? It will always be soft drinks. It will never be lassi, chash, or maybe Amul milk, or maybe cold coffee. It will always and always go with these soft drinks. Right? So that's where, right, ये जो same रहता है, consumers preference, this is taking to making more identical product. इसलिए पेप्सी को देख के, राइट, कोको कोला, राइट, थम्स अप, all this rivalry came because same preference, right? एक ने 7 अप दिया, identical products were produced. Mirinda आया, identical products were produced. So Gold Spot was the product, Thumbs Up and Gold Spot, ये दो इंडियन ब्रांड्स थी. So Mirinda against Gold Spot, Fanta against Gold Spot. Gold Spot is nowhere in the market. वो तो पूरा का पूरा प्रोडक्ट ही गायब हो गया. Thumbs Up तो still it is available. We can see. Have you seen that Gold Spot? अगर पुरानी मूवीज अगर कहीं पे आती हो तो देखोगे, तो कैंटीन में स्टूडेंट्स वाला सीन देखोगे. There will be one bottle of Thumbs Up. There will be another bottle of Gold Spot, which is orange drink. right? So any product which you are making is homogeneous. What A is producing, B is also producing same. Why? Because everybody is having preference for same kind of product, identical homogeneous product. Why? Taste and preference is same. Is this point clear? Taste and preferences same. ठीक है? Marginal utility of money remains same. You have money, you can buy. Marginal utility of money does not change. So these are the five assumptions, one, two, three, four, five, with which we will study the theory of law of equity. Marginal utility theory, right, may have principle of equi-marginal utility, that is consumer equity. Now what is that? Right, let us see this with an example. Right, can you see the example? स्क्रीन में एग्जाम्पल दिख रहा है क्लियर? Right, let the price of good X and Y be SR2 and SR3. ठीक है, ये प्राइजेस के नाम है. ठीक है, respectively, and he has SR24 to spend on the goods. He gets the marginal utility from good X and Y, which have been given in the following table. Right, so this is the utility per unit. This is the utility per unit. What you can see in this? What is your observation about this table? क्या दिख रहा है? कहाँ पे कितनी यूटिलिटी ज्यादा है? कौन से यूनिट पे कौन से प्रोडक्ट की यूटिलिटी ज्यादा है? कौन से प्रोडक्ट में कौन से यूनिट की यूटिलिटी ज्यादा है? See the chart, see the values. Tell me, which product is having overall higher utility? Which product is having overall higher utility? X or Y? टोटल किया आपने? What is the total? What is the total? Have anybody made the total? Make the total and tell me. Can somebody send me the link of the session? Okay, let it be. Chalo. Right, so Y is having higher utility, but if you see the utility of product is very high, the utility of the product is very high in the first unit. First unit mean it has maximum utility 24. But if we look into the consumption of sixth unit, if we look into the consumption of sixth unit, the utility is very low, lower than what is utility of X, right? So X is having higher utility at this stage also. At fifth unit also, product X is having higher utility as compared to product Y. So later stage utility is decreasing overall in this three stage, four products, right? Why product is having higher utility? Say for example, if we take case study of Colgate and Pepsodent, there was a time when every people shifted to Pepsodent. It had a huge market, it had a huge hype because immediately, that is what I am trying to bring. इसलिए मैंने आपको बोला कि आप total करो, right? So 90 here and 90 here. Total utility is same. What does this show? Initially, when you try some new product, you feel this product is new. You will like the product more. Eventually, when you use the product again and again, you will realize there is no major change in product Y and product X. In fact, product X was more better. Over a period of time, by using the product again and again, you will realize product X was better and you will shift to product X because utility is decreasing. A firm which is having more fluctuation, starting में बहुत use किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा product, over a period of time वो product इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, its utility is decreasing. जिस प्रोडक्ट की यूटिलिटी ज्यादा डिक्रीज हो रही है, ज्यादा फ्लक्चुएट हो रही है, दैट प्रोडक्ट और दैट बिजनेस विल नॉट बी स्टेबल. Why? Because consumer will not remain stable. Such business, such product will go out of the market very soon. जिस प्रोडक्ट की यूटिलिटी एंड द गैप बिटवीन द यूटिलिटी, ये देखो तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना फर्क आया, 50%. कितना फर्क आया, 50%. इन ईयर इट्स मोर देन दैट, 80% जितना फॉल. गॉट इट? सो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ज्यादा डिमांड में रहेगा, प्रोडक्ट एक्स और प्रोडक्ट वाई, प्रोडक्ट एक्स और प्रोडक्ट वाई, product X. Overall utility of both the product is same. Overall the price of the product is same. Which product will win in the long run? It will be product X. So this is how we have to understand the concept of marginal utility. Right? PX was the price. Here the price was how much? 3 rupees. Overall, if you see the chart, right? Marginal utility means total product upon the price. Total product that you are consuming upon the price. So it is consumption upon price. So what was the price of X product? It was 2 rupees. What was the price of Y product? It was 3 rupees. Now if you divide 20 upon 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, this is marginal utility. Right? Again, where do you see it higher? Again, where do you see it higher? You see it higher with product X. Right? Means product X will remain in the market for a longer period of time as compared to product Y, because this product has higher utility, it will have higher demand. Is this clear? Right? Next class we will discuss the criticism. We will take one more example. After that we will discuss criticism. Okay. So for now I will be marking your attendance. Just give me 2 minutes. Any doubts, any question, any difficulty? किसी को difficult लग रहा है, tough लग रहा है, कोई problem है, ज़्यादा example चाहिए, कुछ भी हो, you can please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box. Yes, can I have answer? Can I have your comments? No reply. I'm not seeing any reply. नहीं, आप reply करो. Difficulty है या नहीं? क्योंकि नो का जवाब पता नहीं चलता है कि नो किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोल रहे हो आप. राइट, कल हम कुछ और एग्जाम्पल साथ में डिस्कस करेंगे. उसके बाद अगेन आई विल आस्क, कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो यू कैन रेज देम. ठीक है. असाइनमेंट सबका कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. अगेन अ रिमाइंडर. Question 9. Types of elasticity. Point 1 and point 5 are same. No, Vaibhav. Elasticity point 1 is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic. ठीक है. And point 5 is perfectly inelastic. Assignment, if you see the time, right, it is Friday 1:30 AM यानी midnight. थर्सडे रात को ही आपको सबमिट कर देना है 12 बजे. ठीक है. मैंने आपको कल भी क्लियर किया था कि इट्स बिकॉज मेरे लैपटॉप में द टाइम जोन इज ऑफ यूएई बिकॉज दिस लैपटॉप वाज बॉट फ्रॉम देयर. राइट, सो वो टाइम जोन में वापस उसको रीसेट किया तो इट हैज नॉट चेंज्ड. इट इज फ्राइडे. मैक्सिमम आप फ्राइडे 9:30 मॉर्निंग तक, फ्राइडे 9:30 मॉर्निंग तक आप भेज सकते हो. उससे लेट नहीं चलेगा. यस मिलन, I've received your assignment. What is the problem? Okay, Riddhi, I've not checked everyone's, right, but Milan submitted bit early, so उनका मैंने कल देखा था, right? So to Thursday I will be updating कि मुझे किन किन लोगों के assignment मिल गए हैं. Oh God, students, please put up your enrollment number in the chat box. I'm not able to connect Excel. Please put up your enrollment number in the chat box. Wait, wait, wait. It is getting connected. Right, so Akhil, Neha,
Present.
Raj, ठीक है. आप सब लोगों ने ऐसे ही डाल दिया. इट्स ओके. Right, I will mark it. Once your attendance are done, please leave the class. And Darshit, I have to remove you every time from the class. So please get out of the class on your own. Renesh, are you there? Renesh and Gautam. Himadri. Himadri, are you there? Avesh, are you there? Abhishek, are you there? Okay. Hiren Bambadia, Bambhava, sorry. Hiren Bambhava, are you there? Okay. Yashpal and Vishal, are you there? Anu Singh, Dhruvin, Uttam, Ketan, I got yours. Anu Singh, Isha, Uttam, Isha, Uttam, Tirth, Nilesh, Harsh. Okay, you all may leave. Thank you. Anjali, can you just put your email ID here? Everyone, please leave the class.